Spirited Away. The stage is a downtown area in Tokyo. Cafes and shops where young people gather, and a night city where neon lights sparkle. So, one day, a mysterious rumor about Spirited Away spread among friends through SNS. Recently, my friends have disappeared one after another. The main character, Mickey, who heard the story, was interested in whether it was just a rumor or the truth behind it. She decided to explore the commonalities of her friends who disappeared around her. Nao, her best friend, disappeared one night, saying that she heard a mysterious voice on her way home alone. On Nao's smartphone, there was an image of the last place she visited and the scenery around it. There was an old building under construction and a shrine standing next to it. Mickey decides to go to the shrine. If you leave the hustle and bustle of the city and go through the quiet forest, you will reach a shrine surrounded by grass. Her heart was filled with anxiety and expectations. There is no one around, and only the sound of the wind that you can hear from time to time echoes. Old amulets are scattered in the precincts of the shrine, and it seems that it is a place where people visit here in search of something. When Mickey entered the main shrine, she saw the figure of the Shinto priest. He was expressionless and seemed to be waiting for something. When Mickey complained that his friend had disappeared, the priest began to speak in an indifferent tone. This place has the power to bind the past and trauma that people want to forget. Sometimes it can swallow people up. She heard the words and was attacked by the feeling that her chest was tightened. Maybe the reason why Nao disappeared was to escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. Mickey regretted that she did not know the suffering and anxiety hidden in the depths of her friend's heart. But it's already too late. The priest told her that the way to save her friend from the curse of Spirited Away is to admit and accept the sinful feelings herself. She thought about her friends around her and the disappeared Nao, and ruminated on the thoughts they had. When I realized the importance of acknowledging my own weakness and connecting with others, there was a moment when Nao came to mind, although it was for a moment. And 3 days later, there was a gathering among my friends again, and I was able to spend a good time like in the past. The phenomenon of Spirited Away does not simply exist, but is born from the fear and anxiety lurking in our hearts. If you think so, regaining what you lost may be the power of your own mind. Mickey decided to continue to cherish the bonds with her friends and support each other. The end.